Can you feel it in the wind? We're selling tickets, come on in. We're selling tickets, come on in. I think we're in for such a fun year. Already we have the orange man saying it's okay, he's wanted here. And the rest of you just watch out. We won't be taking the lobby down. More antics from this crazy man. Can you feel it in the wind? We're selling tickets, come on in. We're selling tickets, come on in. 2026 should be fun. We'll set the table once again. Just crash on in, have a laugh and we'll just throw our plans in the bin. So buckle up, it should be fun. Buckle up, it should be fun. Buckle up, it should be fun. Meanwhile, mom and dad with young in tow, wondering who's responsible for this next shit show. With a new mantra forming on their lips, it doesn't matter, please pass us by. All we want is a roof and to feed our kids. Can you feel it in the wind? We're selling tickets, come on in. We're selling tickets, come on in. 2026 should be fun. We'll set the table once again. Just crash on in, have a laugh and we'll just throw our plans in the bin. So buckle up, it should be fun. Buckle up, it should be fun. Buckle up, it should be fun. Oh, a flood with water, up to here, a fire burning. And over there, a little quake, just a shake, a little surge, an ocean purge, a little war forevermore, a little drought, ouchie, ouch, a bit more drama for us to share. Can you feel it in the wind? We're selling tickets, come on in. We're selling tickets, come on.